everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. This is my first collab video. I'm doing it in conjunction with one of my favorite YouTubers, Kristy of Georgia Sunshine. Look in the first comment box. I will have it pinned to click on her corresponding video link. The object of this challenge that I shot to Kristy, and she shot some ideas back, and I think we're approaching it a little bit different but on the same playing field, is I wanted to give you guys a variation. Could we beat in store the value of what we receive in the subscription boxes? And how much would it be worth it to the consumer and the shopper? Would you be willing to forfeit a little bit of your time and your gas but come out of with a much better deal? Or if you just really much prefer someone doing all that work for you, having that extra 30 to sometimes 50% built into the overall cost of your box, but you get to try it on in the privacy of your own home. So you'll see the items that I picked in store, how much it cost me in the end, what were the comparable the pieces that I was trying to kind of match from previous subscription boxes, and what my overall total has been or would have been if I did it through the subscription box service. This is a Vince Camuto jumpsuit. It was purchased from Nordstrom. Its retail value is $100. I got it on sale, $39.99. This will make a great formal nighttime cocktail type of piece. It does need to be altered, which Nordstrom's will do if you don't have your own tailor. And so since it's purchased from them, I want to say the alterations will be included. It will be free to me, but that's the only add-on cost. Even if you say down here where I live, I can get this hemmed and altered between $10 to $20, I'm still beating the original $100 plus sales tax. It has pockets. You guys know I like pockets. And I picked this to bounce off of the $50-something jumpsuit that I purchased from Stitch Fix a few months back, and that video will be in the description box if you would like to view it, and it'll be in a card above if you would like to see it. Alright, this is an Natalie Hope dress. I did purchase this from TJ Maxx. It retails for $19.99, so that's all I paid for it. It has the fit the flare type of motif, and it has the black and white color. So I chose this because I was trying to find something comparable to the Chris and Carol, Gilly dress that I received in the Natalie Attire, which you'll see over here. So this dress is what I bought at $19.99, and it's to show you that you can buy in store cheaper than the subscription box. So the Gilly dress, I want to say, was around $50 something dollars. You'll see down here below or up above the actual price, but I beat it by over $30. And let me turn around for you guys again, because I know when I do the editing, I've been moved a little bit too fast. But I think it's really nice, and it'll work in different environments, and it's really versatile because you can change out your accessories, and handbags and things can bring in other colors. Another ensemble that I picked up from TJ Maxx. The top is by a company I've never heard of, but the quality is there. The top is $16.99, and the pants, you know guys, I'm going to check for the pockets. So it's got the pockets. These are a nice pair of trousers. They are $14.99. This top I bought because the pattern, the cut, and everything is very similar to the Maxi floral top that I did purchase from Natalie Attire. It was $39. So when we see those $39.28, we instantly feel like, because the subscription boxes, the prices can be so dense and heavy, that we're getting a fantastic deal. However, as you can see, I have the same type of shirt, a little bit better quality, because this is more in the blouse category and can go into a business environment, in a business casual and a business professional setting. And I only paid $16.99. So $16.99 beats $39.99 by $20. The pants is very similar, and you'll see a picture over here from my FabFitFun box, and it was a pair of, give me one second guys, I'm looking at the paper, Alina Chino ankle pants from the FabFitFun style box, and it was $64, and these are $14.99. I'm going to turn around because I think the tags are behind me, so hopefully you'll be able to see the price. And these are by Counter Pants, but there's the ticket for the shirt, the pants, and somewhere back here is the ticket. We got it. We already seen it. Okay, so there you go, everyone. You saw that I beat it. I pretty much got 2 pieces for the price of that one shirt. Do it yourself sometimes is going to be financially feasible and more appropriate for you, unless you are in a particular income bracket that it doesn't matter. Bohemian people, you know what I mean? This is a nice island flair dress here for you now. You know what I'm saying now? All right, for real. This is your whole $12.99. You know, $12.99, you can't eat at Chick-fil-A for $12.99. You know I'm going to bring a little bit of joke in these kind of videos. But in all seriousness, this is a tropical getaway dress. I can see myself, you know what I'm going to say, the little Havana, at a nice Cuban outdoor, you know, kind of venue where you can eat and have some drinks and cocktail and the music is playing in the background. You've been there, you know what I'm talking about. This is a nice cruise dress. This is a nice pool side dress where you just want to get a little sun on your skin, but you're not trying to show all your goods, and you got a little bathing suit even underneath this. This would work. I love it. It has this very boho chic flair about it. Now I have these little bits and bobs of accessories, but you could change it out and use more natural, organic pieces of jewelry. Those who are into the chakra and lining it up, this is a dress that calls out to you as well. It's flowy. It doesn't have a level of contraption, but it has a decent type of built-in silhouette to it without you feeling overly snugged and hugged. So it's not too loose where it's sloppy, but it's just really nice. It flows well. We all have been screaming and protesting for you can wear white all year round. So get out of that old 1960s box of can't wear something before or after Memorial Day. Do what you like and live. So I'm going to turn around so you can see, you know, all angles of it. And this also has a built-in liner as well. And it is, I don't know the material of it, but the point of it is, it's fun, it's easy, it's packable, it's travel friendly, and it can go into different cocktail and loose. When I say cocktail, I have in my mind the outdoor beach venues. All right, my college students, my at-home struggling artists, people on a budget, people saving for home, but they still got invites. They still got things, engagements that they're going to, but they do not want to spend a lot of money. This was $13.99, guys. This came from Ross, Dress for Less. This dress would take me into fall. So this is a nice nod to the end of summer. And this is also a nice piece, again, that will go into the autumn season. It just springs. It springs welcome to autumn. Oh, you caught that? So anyways, $13.99. It's an easy dress. This is a picnic dress. This is a backyard barbecue dress. This is just one of those things that you can take it with you, roll it up, nice little weekend getaway, road trip, car friendly, pee friendly when you got to pee in public somewhere. This will work. I went there. You know, I hate public stalls, but we're not going to go there. But I'm just saying, this is really one of those things. It's light. It has a liner. The details can still be there on a budget. Alright, Droopy Housey here. I just picked this particular jumper because the stripes in the muted gray matched a sea blue type of shirt that I received from Mix and Match. So that was a white birch and lilac long sleeve shirt. It was $35. This is 10. So for a shirt alone, I got a whole jumper for what, $25 less. So it can be achieved. It's all a matter if you're willing to put the work in and just, you know, schedule in your planners a shopping day. And that's just one day out of the entire 30 days that you're going to dedicate a couple of hours to just venturing. This top makes me sad. It just makes me think I should give this to my grandma. But my grandma's lost a lot of weight, so. And my other cousins that's on the heavier side, this isn't their style. What can I say about this? Let's see. Well, first I own. All right, beautiful people, thank you so much for stopping by and checking my channel out. I hope you enjoyed your time over here on my channel. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, Kristy. You are such a beautiful human being. You're one of my favorite YouTubers, you know that. And I just appreciate so much your patience in this and being able to do this video. Thank you again, everyone. This is the last item. I did buy it from Natalie Attire. This was a whopping $99 dress. And it's by Level, just tribal jeans, just in case you wanted to know. We will have a clip of that, this dress in the video. But again, thanks for coming. I hope you'll subscribe and catch up with you later. Peace.